You're scrolling through YouTube, another day, another billion videos. It's easy to feel lost, like your voice could get drowned out. Maybe you're thinking, is it too late for me? Is YouTube even worth it in 2025? I get it. I was there once, camera in hand, wondering if anyone would care, but here's the thing. YouTube is a universe. It's always expanding, and that means there's always space for new stars to shine. It's not about being the loudest, it's about being you. Finding your passion, your story. That's what draws people in. So take a deep breath. That feeling of doubt, it's normal, but don't let it stop you. Let it fuel you. It's time to find your place in this world of videos. Are you ready? YouTube in 2025 is mind-blowing. Millions of hours of videos, every topic imaginable, from cooking to comedy, gaming to gardening. There's an audience for everything. Think about what you love, what gets you talking, what makes you lose track of time. That's your starting point, because on YouTube, passion is contagious. You're not just competing with big names, you're joining a community, a global network of creators and viewers, all connected by shared interests. It's a powerful thing. Don't be intimidated by the numbers. Be inspired by the possibilities. Your story matters. Your voice deserves to be heard. Think of YouTube as a giant library. Viewers come looking for specific things. Your niche is your section in that library. It's how you stand out. What makes you unique? What's your area of expertise? Maybe you're a whiz at DIY projects or a master baker. Maybe you're passionate about sustainable living, or whatever it is, own it. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on what you do best. This makes it easier to find your audience, the people who genuinely connect with your content. Remember, authenticity is key. People can spot a fake a mile away. Be genuine, be passionate, and your niche will become your superpower. Section 4, building your tribe, community and consistency. You found your niche. Now it's time to build your community. These are your biggest fans, your cheerleaders, your word-of-mouth marketers. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, ask questions, create a sense of belonging, make them feel heard. People want to be part of something bigger, and consistency is key. Upload regularly, create a schedule and stick to it. The more you show up, the more your audience will grow to expect and value your content. It's a two-way street. Be present, be engaged, be the kind of creator you'd want to follow. Your community will become your backbone. Section 5, tech tools at your fingertips. Level up your content. Here's the best part. You don't need a Hollywood studio to create amazing videos. Your smartphone is a powerful tool, and there are countless free and affordable apps to help you edit, add music, and create graphics. Learn the basics of good lighting and sound. Experiment with different editing styles, but most importantly, focus on your story. Technology is always evolving. Don't get caught up in having the latest and greatest. Just start creating. You'll learn as you go. Section 6. Shorts and AI. The future is now. YouTube Shorts have exploded. These bite-sized videos are a game changer. They're easy to create and perfect for grabbing attention. Think quick tips, behind-the-scenes glimpses, funny skits, and AI, it's your new best friend. AI tools can help you with everything from editing to generating subtitles to finding the perfect music. Don't be afraid to experiment. Embrace the new. These tools are here to empower you, not replace you. Use them to enhance your creativity and reach a wider audience. Section 7, your YouTube journey starts today. So, is it too late to start a YouTube channel in 2025? Absolutely not. In fact, there's never been a better time. The tools are accessible, the audience is vast, and the possibilities are endless. It won't be easy, it takes dedication, hard work, and a whole lot of heart. But trust me, it's worth it. Find your passion, share your story, build your community, and never ever give up. Your YouTube journey starts today. Go make something amazing.